Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to follow all the friends you are following on the Instagram profile, but you can't find it on the threads one by one. So you can find all the friends that you're following on the Instagram profile with one click. You can just follow everyone on the threads by using this particular option on the threads app. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So how to follow the friends in threads. So how to follow the Instagram friends in your threads. First of all, click on the followers. You will see a three option: followers, following, and bending. So now you just need to click on this two dot on the top. Now you just need to click on the follow and invite friends. Here you will have this option called follow the accounts from Instagram. Because you have login into the threads account by using your same Instagram account that you are on the Instagram. So in that Instagram account you are following 100 people. So if there is a 50 people all logged into the trends account, but you can't find everyone by just typing on the trends its name, so you can just make this alternate method to follow every friends on the same list they are on the trends. So just click on the follow the accounts from Instagram. Just click this. Now it will shows the account that you follow on Instagram. So I just following two persons. One is my another account and an MKBHD. So you can have this option. You can follow one by one by using the follow button. Otherwise you will see an option on the down called follow all. Just click this follow all, which will follow if there is a 100% or 50%, it will follow everyone. Just click confirm and you can see everyone has been following. That's it. This is how you just find your Instagram friends on the Trends app, and you can just follow it. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet our next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.